Welcome to Wayland Sheet Metal and Fabrications Limited. Based in Hayward, Lancashire, we are a well-established business with technical and engineering expertise to consistently manufacture and supply top-quality bespoke steel and aluminium components and fabrications. At the core of our business are our high-quality modern engineering machines, operated by our experienced and qualified team. We operate both a Marder 170-ton and a Marder 100-ton CNC bending press brake machines. These machines have an instant reactive beam for consistent accuracy. We can bend sheet metal products to a wide variety of specifications using these machines in order to fabricate products that suit your individual requirements. Our hard-earned reputation stems from the calibre and training of our close-knit team and our stringent standards. For more information, call us on 01706 360 345.